Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a golf cart that won't move. First, always begin by checking the most common culprits. Ensure your golf cart's batteries are fully charged and that all terminals are clean and securely connected. Next, confirm the tow or run switch is correctly set to run. Also, verify the forward or reverse switch is in the desired position. Finally, gently press the accelerator pedal to see if it moves freely and engages properly. Now, let's dive into the electrical system. Use a voltmeter to check the main battery pack voltage. It should be around 36 or 48 volts, depending on your cart. Listen for a distinct click from the solenoid when you press the pedal. If there's no click, or if the voltage is low, inspect all major electrical connections for corrosion or looseness. Clean any dirty terminals to ensure good conductivity. If the electrical basics seem fine, the issue might be with the motor or controller. Listen carefully for any sounds from the motor when you press the accelerator. If you hear nothing or unusual noises, the motor brushes might be worn out and need replacement. Some controllers have diagnostic lights or error codes. Consult your manual for these. Also, visually check the motor for any physical obstructions that could prevent movement. For more advanced problems, you might need to test specific components. The throttle position sensor, often located near the pedal, can fail and prevent movement. Similarly, a faulty speed sensor on the motor can cause issues. If these checks don't reveal the problem, consider using a professional diagnostic tool or consulting your golf cart's service manual for detailed wiring diagrams and troubleshooting charts. Sometimes, professional help is the quickest solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.